your shoulders, up and down, stretch your arms, and turn around. Good morning, how are you today? Good morning, I'm happy, let's play. Good morning, how are you today? Good morning, I'm happy, let's play. Yeah!
Welcome, my dear students, and welcome in new English lesson. How are you today? I hope you are fine. First, let's listen to our school vision.
A school vision to prepare creative, well-educated students who are able to establish civilized, aware, reserved society, stick to the authentic morals and values, in addition to using the modern technology.
Our lesson today is Module 4, What Happened? Lesson 1, Song Part 2. You will find this lesson in your student book, page 43, and your workbook, page 36. Let's start. First, I want you to look at these pictures and tell me, where were the children? Yeah, she was in the garden. She was watering the plants. Very good. Picture B. He was in the kitchen. He was looking for the biscuit jar. Excellent. Picture 3. He was looking at the stars. Picture number 4. He was cleaning the car. Good job, my dear students. Now, let's go to the logbox. Let's read. What were you doing last night? I was doing my homework. Can you tell me what is the tense used here? Of course, the past progressive. Excellent. I was doing my homework. My homework. It's past progressive. Very good. Do you think when we can use it? Yeah, very good. We use this tense to talk about actions happened in the past in the specific time. Excellent. Can you tell me the formation of the past progressive? Yes, we can guess the formation. We use was or were plus the verb plus ing. Excellent. Like here, I was doing my homework last night. Let's read. What were you doing yesterday afternoon? Here I said yesterday afternoon. I give you a specific time. I was watering the plants yesterday afternoon. I wasn't watching TV. So let's say about past progressive. We use the past progressive for an action that was happening at a specific point of time in the past. Okay? Let's form the affirmative. Like I was eating. We use verb to be in the past, was or were, plus verb adding ing. I was eating. You were eating. He or she or it was eating. Excellent. We, you, they We use were. Very good. So we use were with we, you, they, plus verb plus ing. They were eating. Very good. Now let's form the negative. Negative means adding not to the auxiliary verb. Here we add not to verb to be, like I wasn't eating. You weren't eating. He, she, it wasn't eating. We, you, they weren't eating. And the question, we start with was or were. And the subject and the verb plus ing. Was I eating? Was I eating? Were you eating? Was he or she eating? Were you eating? Or were they eating? So again, let's say that we use the past progressive to talk about actions that we were doing at specific point of time or in time in the past. Now I want you to go to your student book page 43 and underline the past progressive example. Here we have, yes, very good. He was cleaning. Excellent. He was looking at the stars. She was watering the plants. Very good, my dear students. Now, tell me, what were you doing yesterday evening? I was watching TV. What were you doing yesterday morning? I was eating my breakfast. So what about you? I was watering the plants. I was looking at the stars. Very good, my dear students. Now let's move to activity number 3. Put tick or an X, then ask and answer about what you were doing throughout the day yesterday. For example here, what were you doing yesterday morning? I was reading a book. I wasn't cleaning the car. Also, we can say, yesterday morning, I was watching TV. I wasn't riding my bike. And now, my dear student, it's your turn today to do the same. Now, I want you to open your workbook, page 36. Activity 2. Read and complete the sentences. Use the past progressive. They, number 1, they do their homework yesterday at 7 o'clock. Here we have specific time at 7 o'clock as the past. Let's form the past progressive of the verb do. They, yes, is used with were plus verb plus ing. They were doing. Very good. Number 2, last night I was watching TV with my sister. He wasn't. Here we have to use not, the negative form. He wasn't reading excellent a book yesterday morning. He was watering the plants. Number 4, she was cleaning the car yesterday afternoon. We weren't playing hockey yesterday at 6 o'clock. We were playing golf. I was looking for my math book yesterday afternoon, but I couldn't find it. This is the end of our lesson, but first tell me, what have you learned today? Today we learned about the past progressive. How do we form the past progressive? Yes, was or were plus verb plus ing. Excellent. Now I want you to write one sentence using the past progressive. This is the end of our lesson today. Thank you.